Hello everyone, and welcome to another Raz-Lee What's So Special About webinar. I'm Eli Spitz, Vice President of Business Development at Raz-Lee, and in this webinar we'll show examples of how our report generator excels in terms of ease of use and functionality. First of all, the fact that the same report generator is used throughout all iSecurity products means that once you've become familiar with how to produce the reports in one product, you'll easily be able to do the same in our other products. This, of course, is inherently different from some of our other vendors who purchase products rather than having developed them in-house, meaning that the user interface of these products is different. Next, most of our products include reports which can be run as is, meaning that you, and perhaps your auditors who are not familiar with AS400, can be productive in minutes. The flexibility offered by our wide range of logical operators and additional functionalities is really unmatched, and I'll show you this in just a few slides. Our report generator can produce both summary and detailed reports that can even automatically run corrective actions on specific entries listed on the report output. So let's now have a closer look at exactly what we're offering. Again, the same report generator is part of all iSecurity products. I've listed here schematically the different iSecurity products broken down into the areas of auditing, protection, databases, and evaluation. I won't go into them now, and we'll go right into trying to show how exactly our report generator and scheduler is so special. So again, most iSecurity products include these prepackaged, pre-built, out-of-the-box, ready-to-run reports. These reports all begin with the letter Z, and the second and the third letters, for example, in the audit reports, designate the IBM entry type. So it's really very, very easy to identify what the report is actually referring to, whether it's auditing or commands or jobs, for example, JS entry type, etc. On the extreme right, all the reports are classified according to a different classifications such as objects, users, compliance, system values, network, user-defined, etc. We've pre-classified the reports into different categories, and you can go and change the classification as you wish, and later search and list those reports which answer to a particular classification. I mentioned earlier that we have a super rich Boolean and iSecurity-unique comparators. You can see on line 4, which begins with the word test, that not only do we have equal, not equal, etc., but also list, as you can see here, the user profile name must be one of the list Joe, Sue, Mary, and Charles, like, unlike, whether a string appears in the value, item, not item. This is a extremely powerful capability. The library name in this case is constrained to be a production library within the group of libraries. The production libraries are listed here under prodlib. That's in a separate area. And so it's really very easy to run this report having it reference only the production libraries which have been predefined. Start, of course, name of object beginning with ERP, and program or not program, also unique. This program located in library SMZ4 will check the authorization list name and return a yes or no indication, signifying whether or not we want to keep this particular event, this particular record from Q Audit Journal or not. When a field has numerous possible values, then F4 will list all the possible values for easy selection. Here too, we're unique in the market. The type of job in entry type JS, which refers to actions that affect jobs. The type of job, if I press F4 for prompt, I'll receive this screen here, and I can then select any one of the values which will then appear in the filter conditions screen that we saw earlier. So it's really very easy to constrain our report to run only for interactive jobs or for batch jobs or whatever. We can easily set which fields to print and the order of the fields to print. This is easily done by entering the sequence number here on the left, and we can actually set the output length of the particular fields as well. We can also set sort fields, but what's really interesting is that we can produce either detailed or summary reports, because if option 2 on this screen means produce only one record per key, and in this case we have a summary report for every key in the entry type, if we're talking about audit, for example. We can automatically run real-time actions on line output of detailed reports. What we're looking here in the background is a detailed report of dormant users, those that have been dormant for more than 60 days. And we predefined that we want to run a certain action, a corrective action called change user profile, at the end of the execution of this report. And so although we have 4 line output entries here, we want to run the change user profile action on these 4 lines, but actually we specify here that we want to start from this cursor position, but only for 2 lines. And these are the actions. These actions will be run on this output, which we see on the screen. We can also, for example, create a subset of a report output via filter. We're looking here at the output of all user profiles. Some user profiles are disabled, some are enabled. And if we click F7 on this screen, we can easily create a subset of only those user profiles that are enabled. And when we then press F3 to exit, we're given the capability to save the modified query. And I typed in here a new name, which is $A_enable, and given it a new description, all enabled user profiles. In summary then, we've seen why the iSecurity report generator and scheduler is so special. Again, the same report generator is used in all of the iSecurity products. Most products include out-of-the-box ready-to-run reports. In audit, for example, we provide more than 200 such pre-built reports. The report generator includes many Boolean and iSecurity-unique comparators. We're able to produce easily both detailed and summary reports, and we can automatically run real-time actions on line output of detailed reports. If you've got questions, comments, feel free to email me, marketing@razlee.com. Thank you.